In this video, you will see real hotel situations, like asking for extra items, breakfast at the hotel, and checking out. The English is slow and clear, so it's easy to understand. While you watch, listen for this question. What problem do they have in the hotel room? Let's watch.
Hotel room, first impression.
Wait, why does the door say Deluxe Sea View?
Because that's the room we booked?
No. We booked the cheap room, the very cheap one.
Relax, maybe they gave us an upgrade.
Hotels don't just give upgrades for free.
Well, maybe they liked my smile.
Your smile? The receptionist barely looked at you.
She did, for like half a second.
Yeah, because you dropped your passport.
That was a strategic move.
You tripped over your own bag.
Same thing.
All right, open the door.
Okay, ready?
Just open it.
Whoa,
Wait, what?
this room is huge.
There's a sofa, a big TV, and look at that balcony.
And the bed? That bed could fit 5 people.
Don't say that. Now it feels weird.
I'm just saying it's big.
Hold on. What if this is a mistake?
Please don't say that.
Imagine they knock on the door like, sorry, wrong room. Go back to the tiny one.
Don't ruin this moment.
I'm serious.
Then we just pretend we're not here.
You think hiding will solve it?
Yes, it's called confidence.
That's not confidence. That's denial.
Look at the view.
Oh, wow. The ocean looks amazing.
See? This is the perfect start to the trip.
Okay, maybe you're right.
Of course I'm right.
But if someone knocks on that door,
We're not opening it.
deal.
Now help me jump on this giant bed.
You're acting like a child.
Yes, but a very happy child.
The AC that sounds like a helicopter.
Hello? Hi. Sorry to bother you, but I think there's a small problem with our room.
Good evening. This is reception. What seems to be the problem?
It's the air conditioner.
Is it not working?
Oh no, it's working. A little too well.
I'm sorry?
It sounds like a helicopter is landing in our room.
A helicopter?
Yes, every time it turns on, it goes brrrr.
Wait, seriously?
I'm not even joking. My friend is currently staring at it like it might attack us.
Sir, the air conditioner shouldn't make that kind of noise.
That's what I thought too.
Did you try turning it off and on again?
Yes, and now it's louder.
Louder?
Yeah, before it sounded like a helicopter. Now it sounds like 2 helicopters arguing.
All right. That definitely shouldn't happen.
Hold on. Wait, it just stopped.
Oh, maybe it fixed itself.
Nope.
What happened?
Now it's dripping water on the floor.
You're joking.
I wish I was.
Okay, don't worry. I'll send someone to check it.
Thank you, because honestly, we just wanted to sleep.
Understandable.
Also, small question.
Yes?
If the technician runs away screaming, can we maybe change rooms?
If that happens, I promise we will move you immediately.
Perfect. That makes me feel much safer.
Someone will be there in 5 minutes.
Great. We'll be the room with the helicopter.
Noted.
The mysterious missing towels. Wait, where are the towels?
What do you mean?
I mean, there are no towels in the bathroom.
That's impossible. I saw some this morning.
Well, they're gone now.
Maybe housekeeping took them to replace them.
And forgot to bring new ones?
Maybe.
Great. So now what? I just air dry?
Relax. Just call housekeeping.
All right.
Put it on speaker.
Hello? Housekeeping.
Yes, housekeeping? How can I help you?
Hi. I think something strange happened in our room.
Strange?
Yes, our towels disappeared.
Disappeared?
Yeah, like magic.
Did someone from housekeeping enter your room today?
I think so. We went out for lunch.
Then they probably collected the used towels.
Yes, but they didn't leave new ones.
Oh,
Yeah. Oh,
how many towels do you need?
2. Actually, 3.
3?
One for me, one for my friend, and one just in case they disappear again.
You're joking.
After today, I'm not taking risks.
All right, I'll bring fresh towels right away.
Thank you.
Give me 5 minutes.
Perfect.
And don't worry, these towels don't usually run away.
Good, because I was starting to think this hotel was haunted.
The pillow debate.
Wait, why are there only 2 pillows?
Because there are 2 people?
Yeah, but I sleep with 3 pillows.
3. How many heads do you have?
It's not about heads, it's about comfort.
You already took both pillows.
Exactly. That's the problem.
No, that's my problem.
Relax, I'll call the front desk.
Please do, before you start stealing the cushions from the sofa.
Hello, reception?
Good evening. How can I help you?
Hi, sorry to bother you. We just arrived in our room and we had a small pillow discussion.
A pillow discussion.
Yes, my friend thinks 2 pillows are enough for both of us.
That sounds reasonable.
Wait, what? No, that's not what I meant.
I'm joking, sir. How many pillows do you need?
Maybe 2 more?
2 more?
Yes, please.
Are you planning to build a pillow wall?
Honestly, maybe.
All right, we can send extra pillows.
Thank you. Oh, and one more thing.
Yes?
Do you have an extra blanket?
A blanket too?
My friend says the air conditioner is too cold.
That's because you set it to 18 degrees.
I like fresh air.
Sir, that's not fresh air. That's winter.
See what I'm dealing with?
All right, I'll send 2 pillows and 1 blanket.
You're a lifesaver.
Give us 5 minutes.
Perfect.
And maybe try to share the pillows peacefully.
No promises.
The Breakfast Buffet Challenge.
Wait, is all this food included?
Yeah, it's a buffet. You can take whatever you want.
Whatever I want?
Yes.
Okay, this might be dangerous.
Why?
Because I skipped dinner last night.
Oh no.
What?
That means you're about to take everything.
No, I'm being reasonable.
You already have 3 plates.
1 is fruit.
That's not fruit. That's a mountain of pancakes.
There are strawberries on top. It counts.
You're unbelievable.
Wait, try this juice.
What is it?
I have no idea.
You took a drink without knowing what it is?
Yeah, that's part of the adventure.
Okay, let me taste it.
Well?
I think it's mango.
Or orange?
No, that's not orange.
Wait, maybe it's carrot.
Carrot juice.
Hey, don't judge.
I'm not judging, I'm confused.
Try the eggs.
I just sat down.
Exactly. The buffet closes in 30 minutes.
You're stressing me out.
This is strategy.
Strategy?
Yes. First sweet food, then salty, then coffee.
You planned this?
Of course.
You're treating breakfast like a competition.
It is a competition.
With who?
Everyone in this room.
You're joking.
Look around. They're all on their second plate.
Honestly, I respect the energy.
Thank you.
But if you eat all that,
Yeah?
We're not doing anything today.
That's fine,
Why?
because after this breakfast, I'm going back to bed.
The quick workout plan.
Wait, there's a gym in this hotel?
Yeah, I saw it near the spa.
Why didn't you tell me?
Because yesterday you said this vacation is for relaxing.
Relaxing and exercising.
You said that while eating your third dessert.
That's not important right now.
Sure.
Let's ask the front desk where the gym is.
You're serious.
Yes, I just want a quick workout.
Define quick.
Like 20 minutes?
You said that last time and stayed for 2 hours.
Okay, that happened once.
It happened 3 times.
Excuse me, hi. We wanted to ask about the gym.
Of course. The gym is on the 3rd floor next to the spa.
Great. Is it open now?
Yes, it's open until 10 p.m.
Perfect.
Do we need to book it? No booking needed. You can just go in.
Nice. Do you also have a sauna?
Yes, the sauna is inside the spa area.
Wait, there's a sauna too?
See, I told you about the spa.
This changes everything.
What do you mean?
Okay, new plan.
Oh no.
10 minutes gym,
10?
then sauna,
That sounds more like you.
then maybe a massage.
Now we're talking.
Hey, it's called balance.
Balance?
Yes, a little exercise, a lot of relaxing.
Honestly, that might be the smartest workout plan I've ever heard.
The last morning panic.
Wait, what time is checkout?
I think it's noon.
Noon?
Yeah, why?
It's 11:40.
You're joking.
Look at the clock.
Oh no.
Why didn't you set an alarm?
Because you said, don't worry, I'll wake up early.
I meant early emotionally, not physically.
That's not a real thing.
Okay, we need a plan.
The plan is packing.
No, the plan is calling reception.
To do what?
Ask for late checkout.
You think they'll say yes?
If we sound desperate enough.
That part should be easy.
All right, calling now.
Good luck.
Hello? Hi? Quick question. What time is checkout?
Checkout is at 12 p.m., sir.
Right, about that.
Yes?
Is it possible to have a late checkout?
How late were you thinking?
Maybe 1 hour?
Let me check.
Please, you would save 2 very sleepy travelers.
All right, I can extend your checkout until 1 p.m.
Wait, seriously?
Yes.
You're a hero.
Just make sure to leave the room before 1 p.m.
We will, I promise.
Anything else I can help you with?
Actually, yes.
Yes?
Do you also extend people's energy levels?
Unfortunately, that service is not available.
That's a shame.
Maybe try coffee.
Trust me, that's the next step.
The midnight noise problem.
Wait, do you hear that?
Hear what?
That music.
Oh, yeah. It's coming from the next room.
It sounds like a party.
At midnight?
Exactly.
Maybe it will stop soon.
They just turned the music louder.
You're right. Okay, that's pretty loud.
And now someone is singing.
That's not singing. That's something else.
Should we call reception?
Maybe wait a minute.
Wait, did you hear that scream?
That was definitely not part of the song.
All right, I'm calling.
Okay, but be polite.
Hello? Hi, sorry to bother you.
Good evening, reception speaking. How can I help you?
I think there's a small party happening in the room next to us.
A party?
Yes, with music, singing, and possibly dancing on furniture.
I'm sorry about that.
Normally I wouldn't complain, but it's very loud.
I understand. Which room are you in?
Room 214.
All right, I'll ask security to check the room next door.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
They should lower the noise soon.
That would be great.
We want all our guests to sleep comfortably.
Trust me, sleep sounds amazing right now.
We'll handle it right away.
Thanks again.
No problem.
Okay, now we wait.
Wait, the music stopped.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Finally.
Listen, now it's completely quiet.
Perfect.
Wait,
What?
why are they clapping now?
The unexpected minibar surprise.
Wait, why is the total so high?
Let me see. Room charge, taxes, and minibar items.
Minibar?
Yes, from your room.
That can't be right.
You didn't take anything?
No, I just opened it once.
You opened it?
Just to look.
Sir, what exactly did you take out?
Nothing important.
What does nothing important mean?
Okay, maybe 1 chocolate bar.
That's on the bill.
And maybe a soda.
Also on the bill.
Wait, what? That soda was tiny.
It's a minibar soda.
Yeah, but $6?
Minibar prices are a little higher.
A little?
Did you take anything else?
No, I mean...
You're thinking.
Okay, there was a bag of chips.
Yes, I see that here.
Those chips were dangerous.
Dangerous?
Once you open them, you can't stop.
That's how chips usually work.
Wait, what's this mixed nuts charge?
You took the mixed nuts.
No, that wasn't me.
Are you sure?
Absolutely.
Then who ate them?
My friend.
Your friend?
Yes, the one who said, "Don't touch the minibar, it's expensive."
That's ironic.
Very.
All right, the total is here.
Okay, lesson learned.
About the minibar?
No.
Then what?
Next time, I'm bringing my own snacks.
One last question before meeting.
Wait, before we leave, I want to ask them something.
What now?
Just a quick question.
You said that yesterday, and we stayed in the lobby for 20 minutes.
Rax, this'll take 2 minutes.
All right, go.
Hi, excuse me. I just wanted to ask something quickly.
Of course. How can I help you?
We really enjoyed our stay here.
I'm very glad to hear that.
And we're thinking about coming back next year.
That's great.
But maybe in summer this time.
Summer is very popular here.
Yeah, we noticed. The weather is amazing.
It's even nicer near the beach in summer.
See, I told you.
You've been saying that all morning.
Do you think we should book early?
Yes, especially for summer. Rooms fill up quickly.
Okay, that's good to know.
You're already planning the next trip?
Well, after this breakfast buffet, yes.
You're still thinking about the buffet?
I'm not over those pancakes.
Honestly, same.
Well, thank you for everything.
It was our pleasure.
We had a really nice stay.
We hope to see you again soon.
You probably will.
But next time, we're staying longer.
And eating more pancakes.
The surprisingly emotional goodbye.
Wait, is that our taxi already?
Yeah, I think so.
Wow, that was fast.
You said he wanted to leave early.
I did, but now it feels too early.
You're getting emotional, aren't you?
No, I'm not.
You're staring at the hotel like it's a movie scene.
Okay, maybe a little.
You complained about this place on the first day.
That was before the breakfast buffet.
Ah, yes, the famous breakfast.
And the giant bed.
You jumped on it like a child.
You joined me.
Only because you almost broke it.
Wait, remember the noisy neighbors?
How could I forget? Midnight karaoke.
That guy thought he was a rock star.
He thought. We suffered.
Still, it was fun.
Yeah.
You know what's weird?
What?
When we arrived, everything felt new and strange.
And now?
Now it feels familiar.
That's travel.
I guess so.
All right, come on. The driver is waiting.
1 second.
What are you doing?
Taking one last photo.
Seriously?
Yeah, for the memories.
Make sure you don't include the minibar bill.
Hey, that was mostly your fault.
You're joking.
Okay, maybe 50-50?
All right, let's go before we miss the flight.
Yeah. Goodbye, hotel.
Goodbye, comfortable bed.
And goodbye, free breakfast.
Now that's the part I'll really miss.